In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off fast wireless charging. First of all, go into settings and scroll to tap on battery section over here. Then scroll again, choose charging settings, and then use this switcher next to fast wireless charging to turn it on or switch it off. You can even click on it on the left to read all about it and manage it from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!